guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram name in the year 2023. Let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. You will see your current name under your profile picture. And if you want to change that, one way to do it is by tapping on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen to open the menu and clicking on the Settings and Privacy option. There, you'll see the Accounts Center. That's where you will find your Meta Account Center. Click on your profiles to go to all your accounts that is connected with your Meta Account Center. Click on the profile which is associated with the Instagram that you want to change your name on. Then, just click on Name. Here, you are free to choose any name that you want to show in your Instagram profile. Once you're done, just click Save. And there you have it. You now know how to change your Instagram name. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!